Students, now we will begin with page number 52. The way the world looks like. Gappu's air journey. See, there was a mouse named Gappu. He saw a gas balloon and he climbed the rope. And when he climbs the rope, we know gas balloon always goes up in the air. So he went up and he touched the roof of the house. Now when he reached at the roof, he sees all the things from different viewpoint. Now whenever we are seeing the fan from the below, we can see it is very neat and clean. But whenever we see the fan from top side, we can see that there is lot of dust on the hands of the fan. And he can see the whole floor at once when he is at top. But when he was downwards, he cannot see everything. This is the top view and these are all the things that Gappu can see. Here two chairs are given. There is one tripod. There are certain things kept on the top of it. Here there is another table and some books are also kept on it. Now what happened? Suddenly strong wind pushed inside. Now on page number 53 you can find this. Strong wind pushed inside and the balloon went out of the room. When the balloon went out of the room, Gappu went higher and higher. Now earlier he was only able to see the things which were in his house, but now he is going up and up, so he can see house, nearby houses and all the things which are nearby. There is one question in the assignment. Draw how the fan looks from below. We have to draw the fan the way it looks from the below. Next question is, look for these things in the photo. There are certain things. Answer is, one of the chairs is present on the left side of the bed. This is bed and there is a chair on the left hand side, and the other chair is present on the left hand side of big table. This is big table and there is another chair. The small table is kept in front of the chair. Here you can see a small table that is kept beside the bed. The books are kept on the small table. A bottle, jug, fruits, etc. are kept on the big table. So this will be the answer. Next, page number 53. Can you think why Gappu could see the cheese on the jug but Chinky could not? Chinky was downward and Gappu was upward. This is the reason why Gappu could see the cheese but Chinky could not. Gappu could see the cheese placed on the top of the jug as he was seeing it from the above. Chinky, on the other hand, could not see the cheese as she was on the floor. Next is page number 55. Look at this picture and discuss why things look wide and big at this end but narrow and small at the other end. You can see these things look wider at this end but narrower at another end. Same things happen for candle also. Answer for that question is, we know that things look different when we look at them from different views and distances. In first photo given above, one end of the railway track is looking wide and big while the other end is looking narrow, as both of them are being seen from different distances. See, the first end is nearer to us while the another end is far from us. In the second picture, the distance between the rows of candles look wide from one end and narrow from other end due to the same reason. This is the reason that why things look wider wider from one end and narrower from another end. Now page number 56. Here you can see bowls are placed. One is placed upside down and another is placed downwards. These are two different views on the same bowls. In which photo are the bowls upside down? Look at the side view in photo number 3 to find the answer. See, this is the side view of the bowls. So we can say this both are top views. The bowls are upside down in the second photo. Upside down means unda. Upside down are seen in the second photo. So answer will be second photo. Draw lines to match the side view with the top view of a pipe and a funnel. See, these two are pipes and these two are funnels. So we have to match. This is the match side view and top view. And this is the funnel, side view and top view. Now page number 57. The park behind Gappu's house. Here you can see a park behind Gappu's house. I have opened the same in textbook also, textbook page number 57, because it is more clear over here than this. Next one, mark the gate nearest to sweet shop, A, B, C or D. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? See, first question is mark the gate nearest to sweet shop. The gate nearest to sweet shop will be A. This is the sweet shop and this is the gate. Next is which gate is nearest to Gappu's house? So answer will be gate C. This is Gappu's house and this is gate C. Next is if you enter from B, gate B, we are entering from this gate, gate number B. The green bench will be to your left hand side. Answer will be left. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. You can see the flower bed in this picture. Okay. When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was to her right. So we have to find out which from which gate did she enter. So she entered from gate number D. Now if we enter from gate C, this is the gate C. Seesaw will be nearest to us. This is the seesaw. Therefore, the correct answer is option 4. Which of this is nearest to you if you enter from gate C? We have to find out basketball court, flower bed, green bench or seesaw. Which amongst this are nearest? So, answer will be seesaw. Seesaw will be nearest. Now, page number 58. Ismail's house. On the phone, Ismail told Srijata. Ismail is guiding Srijata on the way to his house. So what Ismail told was, from your house reach the milk booth. From your house reach the milk booth. Then take a left turn. Then she has to take a left turn. Okay. From the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first turn. About 100 meters, you will see a big park. This is the bridge and from 100 meters, this is the big park. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is first in that lane. Okay, now questions are, did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Yes, Ismail went wrong. After crossing the bridge, he should have told Srijata to take the first left turn instead of right. So when he told to take right turn, he must have told to take the left turn. So this is where he went wrong. Show where Srijata will reach if he takes the route, he told her. Srijata will reach somewhere over here if he takes the route that Ismail told him. Write the directions for going from Ismail's house to Srijata's house. Now you don't have to write this, so this one is cancelled. Now page number 59. Ghibli and the big box. Here you can see two big box and this is the Ghibli. She is moving around this big box. On big box, numbers written are 4, 5. And you can see on the upward the number written is 1. Now can you guess what this box thing look like? You have to guess what this thing look like. This thing is a dice. You have to write dice. The numbers on the opposite face of this book add up to 7. See, if you add the numbers on the opposite side, the addition will be 7. Which number was on opposite side of 5? The number on the opposite side of 5 will be 2 because 5 plus 2 gives us 7. In picture, which number will be at bottom? Here we have 1. So which number will be at bottom? Answer will be 6 because 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? Now she is at 5 and she will turn left. So which number will she see? She will see number 1. What will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture. You have A, B, C and D. We have to find out which is the correct one which matches this box. So answer will be A. You have to just tick mark it in answer A. Now this is just try it out. It means you have to draw a picture like this and you have to make a box or a dice on your own. So this is chapter number 5.